Okay, I'm away and out, away from the vampire. She's grumpy. It's the wrong time of the month and she's tired and grumpy. So, hey boo.
Yeah.
Rokok.
Rokok apa?
Ada modern?
Ya.
Modern? Oh, camel putih. Camel putih bisa.
Camel putih.
Ya.
Pendek.
Ada makanan di sini?
Ada dua. Nasi.
Ada minum di sini?
Minum.
Es.
Panas, dingin.
Dingin, like ST, no?
Es teh ada.
Huh?
Mau es teh?
ST tawar.
Es teh tawar.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. All right. Anyway, here's the hotel straight across the road. Had to come here and get away from Yearly. She's grumpy. So I don't know what we're going to do. We're going to rent a bike or something. So, oh yeah, because. All right, nice tea. Oh. Berapa bu?
Ya. 35.
35. Tak ada wang kecil, 50. Okay, terima kasih. All right, iced tea is good. At least I know where to come and get a cold drink straight across the road. Siapa nama kau? Rado. Aku Grant. Asli Australia, but tinggal di Bali aku. Kamu asli dari sini, Jogja?
Di Jogja baru datang.
Baru datang dari Surabaya. Hari ini dari sama kereta.
Surabaya.
Jauh. 4 jam.
Lebih enak di mana, Bali atau Jogja?
Oh, tak tahu, baru di sini. 2 jam aja di sini. Aku mau sewa motor. Ada sewa motor di sini? Ada?
Itu vlog channel.
Channel?
Channel YouTube.
Kau kasih stiker ni. Scan.
Okay, thank you.
I'll put you in a video. Right, so it's really, really hot. I want to go for a walk, but it's just so hot outside. Panas, panas sekali hari ini. Aku mau jalan-jalan, but bikin content, but it's freaking panas. Just.
Untuk turis for it.
Yeah. Banyak bola di sana. Ada kolam di belakang, ada banyak bola di sana. Nah, sama istri.
Oh, berdua.
Malasti ya tidur. Ya. Cerewet dia. Aku bilang, aku jalan-jalan, kamu tidur nih. Cewek. See you later. Ibu, thank you. Makasih ya. So, I'll just go for a walk. If I see a rental place, I'll friggin' rent one. And I don't want to walk around. It's pretty hot. It's probably about, I want to be easy, minimum 32 today. It's friggin' hot. What's this? Open. What's this? A little warung or something? Sangaree. Says it's open. All right, so there's a little random place everywhere. Tours, adventures. Oh, check out this building. It's all made out of second-hand windows. Check that out. How unreal is that? I just don't know. It's all windows, yeah? Like louvers. How unusual is that? They should paint them up all nice and different colours. Look good. Yeah, see some strange things, I suppose, around Indo. That's one good thing about Asia. It just changes so much. Right? Everywhere you go, there's something different to look at. All right, so here's the main road down here. There's not much between here and the main road, so I'll walk down there and if there's something interesting. Oh, there's another thing with all the windows up the top. Look, all the louvers. Must have been all the go. And look at it, it's all like panels of timber on the walls. Makes it look real rusty. Looks good, really, doesn't it? Anyway, here's like a restaurant or something on the front here. It says it's open. I don't know what it is. I suppose a restaurant or something, bar restaurant or something. Well, you know, up in, that's one thing about Java, there's not really too many bars around. Central Business District bars and things like that, there is a few here and there in some cities. Estella, cappuccino, oh, it's a coffee shop. There's a juice shop over there. I wonder if they've got avocado juices. All right. Well, this is a two-way street. A lot of the streets in this city are all one way. It's a two-way street. So that might be a juice, Java juice. So I'm going to head over and see if they've got an avocado juice, see the price of it. Then ones in Surabaya yesterday was like 17,000. It was massive, it was really good. So I'm going to go in here and check it out, see what they got here. Alright, what do they got? It's all guava. Avocado juice. Juice? Avocado juice? Yeah? Yeah? No. Yeah. Yeah, minimum's in here was okay. A juice shop, which is handy, it's not too far, 100 metres away. That's all pretty cheap. Mango, 6,000, cheap. Blackberry juice, all the different types. Kiwi, oh, they got everything. Strawberry, papaya. 8,000 for an avocado juice, cheap, eh? Really cheap. It's the name of avocado, alpaca. Alright, that's handy. I know what this is across the road. So what have we got here? A little veggie shop next door. Yeah, it's good. I'll have a good explore around here. If I get the motorbike, it'd be better. I want to find the rural markety areas and that, you know, where they're interested in things. Get into markets, and then you can base the price of the city and what it's going to be by the price of what they sell their veggies and stuff like that, you know. Because I sort of know in different areas the price of things, and doesn't like there's anything around here. But what I'm going to have to do is find a motorbike rental. And it looks like a lot of stuff's closed. I'm not even quite sure what day it is. I think it's Monday, isn't it? So everything should be open, but it's just not. I don't know. Okay, so let's check out this avocado juice. Straw stand straight up. That's good. I got no sugar because a lot of the time they put a lot of syrup and that in here. That's good. 8,000's like 70 cents or something. Yeah, didn't last long, about 2 minutes. There's a fair few Westerners walking around here. So it must be a bit of a tourist area. Yuli said this is an area where a lot of Westerns like to stay because it's out of that area near the train station, that central area where all the action is and all that. And it's they like hanging out around here apparently. So the only way to check is I don't want to walk around everywhere. It's a pretty big city, so definitely got to get the motorbike and explore around and see what's where, you know. That's number one on the list. Alright, I got a little horse and cart there. So the name for a horse in Indonesia is kuda, K-U-D-A, kuda. That'd be good fun to get on actually. Get on the horse and cart and just go for a cruise around. So some areas still got them, like Lombok still got them. There's a few around Bali, but not too many anymore. But back in the 80s and that, there was horse and carts everywhere, you know. And it was one of the main transports back then. Thank you. Cheap avocado juice, that was good, really good. I'll be back here for sure. So what I want to do is find something to eat. So let's have a little walk up here because I'm still pretty hungry. I had a lot to eat on the train, snack food, this and that, but I want to know where we can eat and where the warongs are and stuff. Got a little warong. Oh, he's got food now. Hey, bro. Are the makanans in here? Yeah, bro. What have they got? Indomie, nasi goreng, yeah. Oh, it's got a bit of everything. Alright. Me dog. I wonder what that is. Dog noodles. Sama nasi goreng ayam, tak ada? Ada?
Ada ayam.
Alright. And sama telur, eh? Fish noodles sini. Oh.
Noodle, Indomie.
Indomie?
Indomie, yes.
No, I got nasi goreng.
Oh, nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng ayam sama telur.
Oh.
So where are you from?
Me.
Asli dari Jogja?
Ya.
Yeah.
Ini dok. Dari mana?
Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Oh, Australia.
Tapi aku tinggal di Bali.
Oh, lama.
Sudah 30 tahun di Bali aku sudah.
Istri Bali.
No, Makassar.
Makassar.
Yeah.
Orang Bugis kan? Orang Bugis.
Dia ada keluarga di Bugis juga. Oh di sini ya ada.
Apartemen 1.
Dari mana dia?
Oh,
Belanda.
kafe itu yang
Oh.
punya boleh semua.
Alright.
Jadinya istrinya sini buka usaha.
So there's apparently a Western guy with a wife and that's got a cafe or something up here, but you know.
Smoke coffee.
Coffee?
Yes.
Like coffee?
Yeah. coffee.
Really? Yeah. These are apparently coffee cigarettes. Cafe latte. Cafe latte cigarettes.
Yes.
Senior.
Coba. Coba ambil.
Oh yeah, ada nanti ya. I've never seen them before. Coffee cigarettes, that might be alright.
Berapa lama di Jogja?
Jogja baru datang hari ini dari Surabaya, so sama kereta ya, so
Oh, naik kereta.
4 jam. Ya, bagus itu.
Berapa?
4 jam. He asked me whether I had 7 million subscribers. I said, no, only 7,000. I wish I did, I'd be a multi-millionaire. Yeah. Oh yeah, kasih ya. Alright, nasi goreng ini banyak kerupuk. Nah kerupuk, aku tak suka. Mau?
Buat dalam komoran, nanti kalau temen.
Ada kerupuk. Ambil.
Mau duduk sini? Mau duduk
Ya
sini?
bisa. Ih, banyak kerupuk.
Krakes.
Alright, let's sit down here with the boys. We'll try out this fried rice. See what the Jogja fried rice is like. Looks alright. Egg. Ini panas sih, very hot.
Pepper. Lada putih.
Tak ada merica. What? Oh yeah. See, they give you pepper separate. Yeah, you got to have pepper on it. Well, it's still pretty hot. It's pretty good, mate. Good enough. I asked for chicken, but there's no chicken in it. Anyway, spice it up a bit and put a heaps of green chilli on it. Yeah. Oh, it's better. I like green chilli better than red chilli. So it's got a different taste, you know. So. Alright. Yeah, right.
Coklat.
Oh, the chocolate.
Coffee.
Alright, just give me a coffee cigarette and I'm going to try it out, see what it's like. Right, Nikasi, yeah? Yep. Okay, the boys, yeah. Looks like they've been sitting here for a while. They said they're off to work. I don't know what they do for work. But, yeah, it's good to have a chat. They like to talk to the bull, you know. Probably don't see that many around here. No. Anyway, the fried rice is pretty good actually. Once you put a bit of chilli in it, it's good. Yeah. Alright, that's the green. Hit the spot. Fill the gap. Getting a big gap, getting a bit fat. Anyway, we're going to try this Rock Coffee. It's like a coffee cigarette. It smells like coffee. Oh, it's a grab bag. Oh, it's a clove cigarette, but coffee as well. Oh yeah, it's a clove cigarette. I don't really like them. I used to smoke them years ago, but they just burn for too long. They burn for like 20 minutes or something. You know? It's sort of sweet when you lick your lips when you smoke clove cigarette, but like it sort of tastes more like chocolate than coffee. I don't know. It's a bit strange. A bit strange taste. I don't know whether I like it really. So anyway, something different. Alright, so I may as well head back to the hotel, see what Yili's doing. Yeah, maybe relax a bit and then, I don't know, she'll want to go out somewhere to eat, I suppose. Maybe I'll just bring her down here for a $1 fried rice for dinner. She'll be happy with that. Apparently that's the boys were telling me, a little gelato shop across the road here. Coffee and gelato, so yeah, I might even stop in and grab an ice cream, if not today, tomorrow, yeah. So anyway, I'm going to pay up and head back towards the hotel, I suppose. It's pretty hot, it's too hot to walk around. Might have to get out early in the morning, see if I can get into some rural local areas and have a chat with a few people, yeah. Apa? Berapa itu? Teh tawar dan nasi goreng?
Nasi goreng, nama telur, 19 sama itu
21.
21.
20. Okay. Makasih ya. Thank you. Yep. Alright, so that was pretty good. It's 21,000, $2 for a tea and a fried rice with an egg. Pretty good. Alright, just finish off this tea, I suppose, and then and this cigarette. I don't think I could smoke it all. They're a bit rough. I don't know. They just burn for look. It's hardly even burn. They just burn for like 20 minutes or more. These things. Yeah, it's like cloves and chocolate or something. I don't know. He said it's coffee, and it's written coffee on it. Cafe lattes or something. It's more like chocolate sort of taste. Alright. I'm going to try and get across this busy road. Alright. So that was good fun talking to the boys now. They've got I've noticed in a lot of areas, like Surabaya is different here, the way they speak. So, and it's like that all over Java. Like if you're from Jakarta, you're from Surabaya, you're from Jogya, they sort of pronounce words a little bit differently, and they've got a different accent, you know. So it's the same with us with Bulays. It depends where you learn. Like I learn in Bali, and Bali sort of mumble a bit, you know. So you've sort of got to adjust your Indonesian a little bit when you go to different areas, you know. So you can't really say like I learned here, like I learned in West Java, or I learned in East Java, I learned in Bali, and then say that's the way it's got to be, you know. Like because the language changes with their accent and the way they pronounce some words, you know, all over Indonesia. So every time I'd say something, they're trying to tell me how to say it in Jogja sound, you know, Jogja accent, or the way they do it. So yeah. Anyway, looks like there's a few Westerners staying at this place. It's like a little restaurant, maybe a hotel or something here. This funny one with all the windows on it. So Warung Lawas. Right, so it looks like there's a little warung. It looks like you go upstairs. Maybe the warung's upstairs there. Yeah. Then we'll come down. It might be just a little coffee shop. I don't know. So we're nearly back to the hotel. That pool looks pretty inviting out the back out there. Very nice. There's half a dozen, I think, Dutchies or something hanging out around the back there. Nice little house. All right. And here we are, back at the gallery. Oh, it was a good little walk for half an hour. I run over a motorbike and get out around into the streets, and I'd like to find a proper traditional market and check it out here. So maybe I can do that tomorrow if we end up getting this bike dropped off tonight. Anyway, I'm back.